Assalamu alaikum foodies and a warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm gonna share one of my most wanted and popular recipes, steam roasted chicken. This is my mother's 30 years old recipe which never fails nor ceases to impress a crowd. With her recipe and technique, you can achieve a restaurant quality at home very easily because this roast is soft, tender, juicy and have a beautiful brown color without any food dye, just like you eat at wedding dinners or at restaurants. My brother come friend is a great fan of this roast, so I dedicate this recipe to him. Ali bhai, this one is for you and lots of praise for Ami. So let's begin and show you how to do it. First things first, clean and wash the chicken which has been cut into 4 pieces. Then pat it dry because eliminating all water before searing ensures good browning. Next, take a sharp knife, make parallel shallow cuts through the skin just like this and do the same with all other pieces and set aside. Now take half teaspoon of red chilies and same amount of salt and mix them together. Now rub this mixture all over the chicken. Rub it nicely between the cuts so that salt and chili mixture goes inside the skin. You will be thinking why? Actually, by rubbing this chili mixture on the top, we are gonna get a beautiful reddish brown crust without using any food color. You will see that. Do the same with all other pieces. Now take a shallow pan and put oil in it, around 1 inch at the bottom. Then heat the oil at full flame till it reaches at least 200 degrees Celsius. This step is very important because if the oil is not hot enough, then chicken will release its water and the color which we are looking for won't be achieved. You must hear this sizzling sound. Now don't move the chicken, leave it there for a minute. Many people ask how I get beautiful color on my roast. So this is the secret, rubbing chilies and then frying. One more thing, do not add more pieces in a pan, fry them one by one. Because if you add more pieces, then temperature of the oil will drop and searing or you can say browning of the crust won't be possible. After a minute, turn it. Oh wow, what a wonderful color. Now for the other side also, we will fry it for a minute, then take it off the heat. Here please remember, we don't have to fully cook the chicken, we are just browning it. Our purpose is to give just a nice sear on the chicken in the hot oil and rest of it will be cooked with steaming. You'll be wondering why I'm doing this without marination. Actually, this recipe and method is a little different than the usual steam roast recipes, where chicken is steamed first with marinade and fried it later to add color. But here we are gonna do the opposite. We are gonna first fry, then marinate, and then steam. There are few reasons for that. One, resulting chicken is juicier as compared to the other method because all juices of the chicken are locked inside with searing. Second, chicken is easier to fry before steam, as when you fry after steaming, then you have to be more careful as chicken is already tender and you have a fear of breaking it. Third, too much marinade also goes in the oil when you fry after steaming. But in this method, all marinade will stay on the chicken and result would be a juicier chicken piece with a lot of masala on the top. All the pieces are nicely golden brown and now let's make marinade. We will start off by making fresh ginger garlic paste. Take same amount of ginger and garlic, 1/4 cup. Add around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then add same amount of olive oil. By adding oil, your paste will not change its color. It's a great tip to avoid discoloration. Now pulse for 2-3 seconds and you're done. Take it out in a clean jar for later use. This paste can stay fine in the fridge for 1 week or so. Now add some more oil so that it does not change its color to green or blue. Now in a bowl, take 1/4 cup vinegar, half cup yogurt, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chili flakes. Next I'm adding half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of tikka masala to add aroma in the mixture. Lastly, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste which we have made earlier. Then mix everything up so that no bits of yogurt can be seen. At this stage you can taste salt. If you feel that it's little less, you can add more salt. Because sometimes tikka masala also has salt in it, that's why I am not adding more. Now add that pre-fried chicken and coat nicely. Then we are gonna cover and marinate overnight or at least 6 hours. Next day, fill steamer up to its maximum mark. I am adding around 2 quarts. It should not be so less that it evaporates during steaming, or it should not be too much that it touches the bottom of the steaming insert. Put all pieces one by one on the insert. And then pour all rest of the marinade over the top. Cover and now steam it for 1 hour or until yogurt changes its color. Let's check after an hour. Wow, look at this. Color of the marinade has changed. It turns brown. That means it's fully cooked. But if you feel it's still yellowish in color, then leave it for some more time. It actually depends on your steamer. Some of them take more time and some of them less. Now dish it out. See what a gorgeous color. So tempting. And look at this all masala on the top. So appetizing. Sprinkle little chaat masala. I'm serving it with fries. Who would believe that this is homemade? This exactly looks like restaurant one, or like you eat at weddings. Do try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. They would love it. Let's try some. Oh, so soft, tender, juicy and delicious. Hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Do share your feedback, and I'm gonna see you next time with another wonderful recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.